Hi everybody, this is Winter Raven and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Tokidoki Unicorno Series 9 mystery box unboxing. That is a mouthful, but I have 8 of these plus a weird one, extra one, and one that I already know what it is, because I was able to tell through the wrapping. It is totally sealed, so if I do not get this one, I will open it at the end, and if I get this one, then I won't open it. Before we open all these Tokidokis, I wanted to show you guys one that I already have from this series. This is Autumn. Here it is. It has maple leaves all around, and it's so adorable. It really is really cute. Before we continue and open all of these, since it's the first time in my channel that I open Tokidokis, I wanted to share with you a little bit of information about these little guys. These are, of course, collectibles, and they are all vinyl. They're made in Italy, and they have a Japanese aesthetic. They are hand painted, and they are little works of art. They're little figurines. They are not toys. And it is specified in the box that this is not a toy, this is collectible art. So I love this brand. I love Tokidokis. I've been collecting them for years now, and I finally found Series 9. And I only have Little Autumn, and these are all the ones that you guys can find. 2 chasers. There is Thrasher and Yum Yum. Thrasher is the very sick one. Everybody's looking for that specific one, and it's valued pretty highly. Tokidokis tend to go for about 10 bucks. In some places you'll find them for $10.90, some places for $9.99. It depends where you buy them. You'll save yourself about $1. They tend to be about $10 per box. Alright guys, so we're going to start opening. So here we go with the first one. And I really am looking for Thrasher, because it's our little, the girl with the dragon tattoo kind of looking unicorno. And let's see what we get. They come in this blind box, and we're gonna check it out. Ooh, we got Rosebud. We got the first one is Rosebud, and it's really cute. It has a felt crown of roses, and the rest of it is vinyl, and it's really beautiful. They all have a chest tattoo with the Tokidoki logo, which is a heart and crossbones, and I think it's adorable. So now we have Autumn and we have Rosebud. Alright, this is our second box. Let's see what we get. And we got our first repeat. We got a second Autumn. And they look exactly the same. They're the same one. Alright, we're gonna open the third blind box. And oh no, we're really having bad luck today. Okay, we got our third Autumn. Autumn seems to be the most popular one, the most common one. So we got a third autumn. Now we're going to open our box number 4 out of 8. And I hope it's something different than autumn, because if not, I'm just like, I have the worst luck. It is! It's something different than autumn. Oh, this is adorable. This is Arctica. This is Arctica. Or Artico, sorry. This is Artico. It is this one here. And it looks like it's a frozen little unicorno. It looks like something got stuck inside, like some type of skeleton, like if it was a Ice Age unicorn. And like the other two, it has this chest tattoo with the Tokidoki logo. It has a crown of eyes and some icicles, and it's adorable. Alright, now we're going to open our box number 5 out of 8. Ooh! Okay friends, so we just got Madeline right here. She is not a chaser. The chaser is Yum Yum. And the one that was already opened, this one, was Madeline. So we will not be opening this one. It's still closed in the wrapper. It is Madeline, so I don't have the need to open that one. And here she is. She is really adorable though. She is a French girl with the fleur-de-lis and a French flag. She has the fleur-de-lis here, and she does not have the Tokidoki logo. She's different. And now we're going to open our box number 6 out of 8. Oh no, we got Rosebud again. Another repeat. Rosebud. Second time. So now we have 1 Rosebud, 2 Rosebuds. Alright, we're going to open number 7 out of 8. And I really hope it's Thrasher. Please. Or just not a repeat. If it's not Thrasher, just be not a repeat. Not a repeat. Alright. Yeah. Open. Oh no! Another Antarctico. You guys, we got a repeat of everyone except for Madeline, but I actually have a repeat of Madeline. So we have a repeat of Artico, we have a repeat of Rosebud, we have a repeat of Madeline that I'm not going to open, and we have a repeat of Autumn. That's not good. I only have 1 more left. This is number 8 out of 8. And you guys, we got another Rosebud. We got 3 Rosebuds, 3 Autumns, 2 Articles, and 2 Madelines. This is not good, you guys. Not good. We were not lucky with these guys. These guys are really, really, really hard to find, all of them. And they all came from the same crate, which is really terrible, which means there are so many repeats we're going to open our special one, which I had here just to make ourselves feel a little bit better, or make myself feel a little bit better, because I kind of already figured that I was gonna have a lot of repeats, because that's how this is. That's how this game works. We always get repeats. But anyways, let's open this up, and I'm going to try to open the flaps here. I should have cut this beforehand. There it is. All right, you guys, let's see what we get here. To cut the other one too. Second one, and let's see, it's in a bag. I'm scared. All right, this one seems like very fancy and I'm scared. Let's see what we get, you guys. That is so cute. That is so adorable. That is really, really cute. Alright, you guys, let me tell you what it reminds me of. So, I've been playing Animal Crossing, and it reminds me of any of the people characters that this could be. This could be one of the people, one of the main characters, and it's adorable. It's Tokidoki, and you can really tell with these ones that they really are hand painted, because looked in an angle, it really looks like paint on top of the vinyl. I wish I could show you guys, but I don't think it's gonna be possible. But there it is. It's really cute. And I don't know if she's holding like pizza carton or what is it, what she's holding, but it's adorable. It's really, really cute. Here are the ones that we could have got. And of course, I liked the unicorn because it goes with my theme of the characters that I like. I like the unicornos. But I must say that I also liked this one, and this one. They're all very, very cute. So here we are, guys. This is the end of the video. We got this little girl. And then we have article. We got 2 of this one. We got Rosebud. And we got 3 of this one. Then we got Madeline. Then we got 2. One that I won't open. She's still right here. And then we have Autumn. And that's it, you guys. Repeats, repeats, repeats. So tell me, guys, which one was your favorite in the comments. I think my favorite is close call between Autumn and Rosebud. They're both really, really cute. So I'm not sure. I like them both. They're both really, really cute, really adorable. I don't know which one I like the most. Madeline is adorable. She's like a Rococo French empress kind of looking girl. She's adorable. Then we have Artico, and it's like a piece of ice. And then we got our special collaboration of Tokidoki and Les Secrets. I'm not sure how to say that is in French, but The Secrets and Tokidoki collaboration. And this one is actually adorable. I'm actually pretty happy with this one. I hope you guys like mystery unboxes. It makes me happy, like honestly happy. I don't know why. I think it's the anticipation and the like that mystery and builds up anticipation, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna get? although sometimes it can be pretty frustrating, especially when you get 3 of the same one. But I think I've grown through it. It's been a while since I've been collecting mystery boxes, so I think I'm kind of used to that now. And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below which one was your favorite. And if you're new here and you would like to see some more of this stuff and other things like makeup, fashion, goth stuff, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you guys very, 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 very soon. I am going to start work in 3 days. I don't have any more holidays, but I'll try to keep up and stay posting and keep making videos. So I hope to see you guys very, very, very soon. Bye bye.